finally, it is here. Sorry for the long wait. Hey guys, what's going on? These Albert here. Welcome back to another video. And today, we are finally doing the Q&A. Finally. Finally. And let's just get straight into the whole thing. I am on YouTube Studio, so record better, get a camera holder. Yep, I will. Yeah. This isn't really a question. I never called you stupid. Sorry guys, sorry. Well, I'm sorry for my friends. Screw you. If you don't like my channel, then don't watch it. People who buy subs stuff, guess who they are? Hint you one of them. What do you mean by buy subs? What do you mean by buy subscribers? I didn't even realize you could buy subscribers. What? Anyways, I'll music this for me getting ready. I don't use a screen recorder because my YouTube thing on my PS4 isn't actually linked to my own channel. So plus even if it was, the longest I could record for would be about a minute. That'd be it. So anyways, you beat the challenge? Nice. Follow me. I actually did Dayton Sharma, so cool. Storm info, that was a while ago. Oh, thank you guys. I pray to God that you live. Don't you dare die. Yeah. Don't you die. Guys, I'm okay. It passed shortly after this video. Hashtag saved it. Yay. I think I'm not. Am I live? Q&A part 1. Let's see. What would I do with $100 million or euros? I'd probably get all the necessities, and with whatever is left over, I'd get a few cool things and donate. What would you do if you suddenly hit 100 subscribers? I would do the best video for you guys. I would do anything you guys recommend. I would really do anything. For the next Q&A, do you like the Avengers? Yes, I do. Actually, I don't know who's my favorite. I'm okay so far. Oh, that was my friend. House tour. That was kind of clickbait. Get a better speaker. I will try. Sorry if you guys can't hear me. Something's up. Shout outs and huge news. Alright. Guys, notice how you have no likes, only 1 to 2 likes. Bad. What would I do if the world is going to end? I don't know. I'm not old enough to think about it. So I don't know. And Fireball, if you don't like my channel, then don't watch it. That easy. So. Kevin. And I commented 1 subscriber equals 1 video with Kevin. I like the video again. Thank you, Master Thomas. Shout out to him. He is a really cool guy. I think he watches all my videos no matter what. I don't know. Updates. I like the video. Nice video, dude. Thank you, Potato Warrior and Master Thomas. Guys, go subscribe to Master Thomas and Potato Warrior. They are all so awesome. They're both so awesome. Oh, this was the scariest video I've ever done. Oh. I thought it was don't play Minecraft PE at 3 a.m. It started as that, but then it became PC and console. Try to record, but use a different device like that. Yeah. I'm using my tablet. I used my tablet for this, and I didn't actually, it's a wireless tablet, so can only be done on PE. Actually, no, it doesn't have to. But you have to try multiple times, because the first 2 I did, they actually did go corrupt. So, you have to try multiple times. Tutorial of Clash Royale. Did it help me? Well, thank you. Or, you're welcome, Master Thomas. Reaction to Paula Puppet Pals. This was really cool. When Harry comes in, everything goes MLG. Yep. Yes. Okay. Happy New Year. 2017 is gonna be good. It actually was. I don't want to say this. Happy New Year, D-Boy. Happy New Year, D-Boy. Happy New Year, guys, even though this is like 4 months after New Year's, but hey, whatever. Oh, this is so long ago. I still have the world. My Master Freddy's trailer. Guys, go sub to D-Boy. We have something very special we're working on with that noise. All that, that's me. Is this on PS4? Because if it is, I can help. Yes, it is, but I have to have PSN, or PS Plus. So, yeah. Sorry. I'm trying my best. Ball flip fine. Flip fine. And brawler game again. Yeah, you're not quitting. Yep. Not yet. Are you quitting YouTube? No, I am not. Hey, I'm live on YouTube. Something happened with that. I still remember it. I'll bring it back. I disapprove lag. Yeah, I do too. Subscribe to D-Boy. Wait, who's in the Q&A? Me and Connor. Or D-Boy, what's Please don't get mad at me, D-Boy. Rage worthy. Congratulations. Actually, I think you hit like 50 now. Something. This is so simple. Another one. Oh, thank you for clicking the bell. Thank you. Oh, I just now realized that you click the bell. Clap.io. Do you guys want me to do it again? Clap.io? Because I can do that easily. Back with the shout out. He said don't go around in the comments where he is because he did the shout out one. See the end of the video. Actually, no, I got back on my tablet. My sister was using my tablet, and it does this thing where like previous videos just just goes on. It happened with something. I actually don't have Minecraft anymore. Sorry, Jurassic Hero. The game hates me. It does. It really does. This is all from a long time ago. Wait. This is my best video here. Hashtag all the way, yes. Yeah, by the way, guys, this dude, Joe Lloyd, he did all this stuff. He put this less than a year ago, and then last week he posted again. So that took him almost a year to do that. So that kind of annoying. But that's it for today's video. If you guys want me to do more of anything that was on my channel before, tell me. Just tell me, please. I love doing stuff for you guys. Everything, so. Oh, I should have just done this. I'm so stupid. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe. After you subscribe, hit the bell button, and if you're on PC, click the check, and then press OK. But if you're on mobile, just click the bell button. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.